Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to remove Temu's minimum purchase limit. So first and foremost, you have to open your Temu application on your device, and then you have to click on the U option, this one at the bottom center of your screen, and you'll be directed to this page. Now, next thing that you should do is to click on this icon or the support icon, this one at the top right hand corner of your screen. Right here, just have to scroll down and click on the contact us option. And then this conversation will open. Now, what you're going to do next is you have to type right here, remove or please remove my purchase limit, please. So after typing out this one, just have to click on send. And then if your account is eligible to remove the purchase limit, you'll be able to receive a message where you can click on an option where you can confirm that you wanted to confirm to remove your purchase limit. But as you can see, I don't have it because this account is not that very active. So if you're very active on Temos, you'd be able to remove your purchase limit. So if you cannot access that feature right now, you just have to make sure that at least you are ordering a lot on Timo, so they'd be able to provide you the service that you need. For example, removing the purchase limit, especially if you are doing a business. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.